Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how to bypass the upside down toilet plunger fake lake. It did not work for me. It would never start sucking water. So I decided to try a different method, and I looked online for how to simply do this, and I couldn't find a way, so I thought I would share because it's going to save someone a lot of time. So this is your inlet hose, and that'll go down to that copper grill on the bottom of the boat where the water goes in, and this comes through here and then goes back there towards the impeller. So we're just going to take this off right here. Try to do this one-handed. Pry this off. Okay, now this is off. Just move that to the side. And then all you're gonna grab is your garden hose. Bring it on over. And it fits right in there. Actually, take that out. I'm gonna grab this hose clamp and bring it and put it on the hose. Put it on the garden hose. And then this should fit right in there. This comes down. Just tighten that up to secure it. Okay, just make sure it's secure now. Doesn't need to be super tight, just snug enough so that the water pressure doesn't make it fly out. And now we're gonna start the water and turn the boat on. There's no water coming out, so it's getting suction. And we have water coming out of the exhaust. Don't buy this. It's a waste of money. All you need is a garden hose.